It's game time!
Si kontra gani, Timos.
Timos versus... Saan sila nga team? Ay! Honda!
There's 2 points, jersey numbers.
Si team dia.
Saan kontra nyo gani? Wala no? Timos man na. Kanang black, Timos. Hala, Varsity sa Dilpo.
2 points.
Bio, paan sa mga taga Santa Lucia ha? O, na tayo 15,000 million viewers na dere. Agay, Paulo lumapas.
15 shoot.
No good. Crossover man.
Shot luck with team.
Jeremy Lin for 3. Ayay, pasakay. Look. Sit, rebound. Hala, sorry, lumapas.
2 points, jersey number 7.
Easy 2 points. Nabihaw. Bako mag-siya sa tubig. Diga. Patay 3.
Number 3, not good.
Good.
Boss, tuloy ang gudi ako sa. Ako mga bugol-bugol.
Hala! Yay, patay na, sorry.
Bring leverage, 2 points.
Easy 2 points. Yaw, at the sack of tubig man.
Ay.
No, Jeremy Lin, dribbling the ball. Basta na mo tapal, way discount sa jersey. Ay, wakay discount na na. Patay na. Wala na. Magkaibigan, pero magkalaban sa court. Rose Paul rep?
No.
Foul, jersey number 26. First, personal foul. First, team foul.
Score.
Score 6-2.
6-2 in favor of Timos. Crossover man. Ano siya ipangan sa iyong team?
Injura daw.
Ha? Ha? Suli. Arox. Ogo, yes, Suli.
Good.
Kaya mo. Wow, what a shot!
Foul, jersey number
Sign of Beijing.
32.
Again, our play.
Bonus free throw.
Sign of Beijing. Ang nagkontra na to, Timos versus the Rooks. Bonus free throw, no good. Masulman, pinasa kay Joaquin Bordado to Paulo. Ang score
Score kay 4-6.
4-6 in favor of sakto na daw. 4. What now? Joaquin Bordado. What a pass!
Shot like 10.
Patay. Superman. Nidritso. What a
2
shot.
points.
Sit. Pinasa kay Paulo lumapas. Gikan pa ng sakop tubig.
Shot like 15.
Patay na, sorry. Baligya. Outball sa varsity sa Adelpa, Bulacau, Cebu City. Patay, Chad. Tumasulman. No good. Rebound. Foul.
Foul, let's foul rep. Foul, jersey number 9.
No, Jeremy Lino. Ang mo check up, why discount? To crossover man.
Shot like 15.
Amber. Hello. What offensive rebound. It's 2 points. Patay na, crossover man. Ritso. To Jeremy Lin. What a shot by Jeremy Lin. Di pa mulingis kamera. Patay, Paulo.
Nice pass.
Dislocate. Ayun, mga dislocate mo yun. What a defense by crossover man. Ayay, wala lagi kadoko. Yun. Okay na na, jogging tayo niya. Joaquin Bordado, pinasa, out
Out
of
round. Symbol. Shot clock 18.
shot clock 18.
Our running score 8 against 10. In favor of Crocs.
The Rooks. Oh, dili Crocs, mga buhaya man na. Ay, mga buhaya. Patay, lumapas. Ayan. Ha? Grabihang score, 6.
Foul jersey number
6 and
27.
109. Grabihang score, eh. First free throw. Good.
1 point. Second free throw ready for rebound.
Two for Paulo Lumapas. Crossover man, may tangan ng bola. Nag-dribble. Pinasa kay Jeremy Lin.
Shot clock 15.
Lumusot! Look, Rubio!
Strong move.
What a strong move by the Jeremy Lin. Pang may dito siya, 1 year. Masulman, tumira. Easy, 2 points. Wala kay Rap-Rap. Patay, Jeremy Lin na po. Strong move na po ni. No! No! Patay, ay wala na yun. Masulman. Gipasa. Intercepted by Crossover Man. Crossover Man. What a pass to the varsity of Adelpha. Okay na daw. Patay, Masulman. To set. Easy 2 points.
2 points.
Maybe easy man tanan o may discount. No, point out mo. Jeremy Lin. Jeremy Lin for 3, no good. To Joaquin Bordado, pinasa kay Lumapas. Sorry!
Basket count.
Basket count. Foul. Crossover man, jersey number 5.
Foul jersey number 6.
Oh, 6 day. Sorry.
Time out.
Time
Team blue.
out. Team The Rooks. Bonus free throw.
Ready for rebound. One point.
No. Announcing the arrival of the Lone Pound, number 5, Resma. Crossover man.
Shot clock 15.
Pinasa. Dibalik ni Isaac Tres. Sorry.
3 points.
3 points by number 6, Ignacio. No. No. Si Chad, ano siya?
Basket count.
Chad. Ah, wala pa ka? Wala pa kayo, Josiana? Oo.
Basket count. Foul jersey number 22.
Kamulay pagsabot niya. Kamulay pagsabot niya. Pagsapatos na. No! Rubio, the triple man! Okay! What a steal! Crossover man, kipasag balik! Okay, what a shot! Wala, okay na.
Foul jersey number 9. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Ah, okay. Nanatay scorer daw. Varsity na. First free throw. By Vidal. No good.
Second free throw ready for rebound.
Second free throw.
1 point.
Nabawag half shot. Masulman ang bola. Joaquin Bordado. Bank shot. No good. What offensive rebound? Tupak. Rubio eh. Mura mag-teenager. Patay na, sorry. Ayay. Save ball.
Shot clock 14.
Score 19-18 in favor of Timos. Itap ng pangana eh. Jeremy Lin. Tunsir Vidal.
Shot clock
Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Chad. Nitiritso si Masulman. Tumira ng 2. No good. Offensive rebound by Lumapas. Still no good. No.
Oras 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Sir Amber, pinasa kay Jeremy Lin. Lampas. Offensive rebound. Umagat sa pick.
Traveling violation. Oras 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Sirset, tumira ng 3. No good. Ni diretso ni Itza.
J 2 point.
Pull up J by Ignacio. Masulman. Ni diretso na po. No good. Pinasa kay crossover man. Hala. Okay. Patay na. Sorry. Ay, nabuhitan.
Oras 45 segundos.
Joaquin Bordado. Ni diretso.
2 points. Oras 35 segundos.
Assist sa kagalingon ba? Magsama na niya. Nagtabi pa sila? Unsa ni injury time out? Okay, resume na sa itong game. Okay ra ka.
30 seconds.
So, Berman. Jeremy Lin, pinasa. Nakuha ni Paulo.
25 seconds.
Paulo, pinasa kay Joaquin Bordado.
Nice
Watang boy! Grabe ang marang best player yun eh.
Ikan pa na Oslo ba?
Matay, triple man. Ayun sir, maluwi ka sa bisa.
14.
Harusanan, apel diri. Lahos. Bagunang kuan, maintenance. Patay, what a pass. No, what a fadeaway shot.
2 points.
2 points. Masulman, ni Lahos.
2 points.
Score 25-22 in favor of Team Moss. So Chad. Guya si Paul. Macam mana 4-5? Back to the ball game, second quarter. Saddam to Sir, number 40. Ayay, manggay na.
Shot clock 17.
Gikan pa Oslo sa.
Oo, nakapunto sa 20. Rebound by Incaliado. Foul, was fouled.
Foul jersey number 9.
Jersey number 9.
Third personal foul.
Third personal foul by jersey number 9. Huh? Third? Third na? Dua ni. Bago na siya nga 9.
Sorry.
Okay ra. Second free throw is good. Bato masyadong siya. Copy cons.
Score 25-23.
No good. Rebound by si Robert Lipia. Kanse mo na. Wa mo ikuan speed na. Patay, Jeremy Lin. To number 15. Okay, iba talaga mga young ones. Patay, lumpang number 5 for 3. Bang!
3 points.
Uy, asa na ito yung signature post? Oy, butang. Hindi, lapas yung dala. Okay ra na may discount. Jeremy Lin,
Shot number
3. No good. Rebound by Mingito, player sa Simfarm. Foul by jersey number 9.
Foul jersey number 9. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Kansi mo na may player sa Simfarm na. Patay, Incaliado. Patay na, lumbang again. Lumbang, what a sidestep move. Ay, buang nga. Patay, sorry guys, sorry.
2 points.
Easy 2 points by the muscle man. Alright, player Simfarm, Mingito. Pinasa kay Mr. Yang One. Out ball. Masulman, may tangan ng bola. Pinasa kay shake and bake player. Patay, sorry. Assist day. Assist na. The young one, nag-dribble. Lumusot. Patay. Awa na. Number 9. Sorry. To Chad, the triple man. No good.
Outball.
Bola sa Crooks. The Crooks. Inom dia. Kevin Durant.
Easy to point.
What a jumper by Kevin Durant. Patay na. Masulman. Nag-dribble. Lumusot. Lapatay. Pass break. Sorry guys. Sorry.
Easy to point.
Grabe sure bola eh. Mao na ato ang CEO sa 24 shot clock. Simple lang na. Patay. Jersey number 9. No dribble. Mulusot. Miss lang. Tumira. No good. By Iglesia. Kanya the young one. Pinasa kay What as sayang. How?
It's all red.
Ay, shake and bake.
Foul jersey number 42.
42.
Second personal foul.
42. First free throw? No good. Okay, walay
Second free
warm
throw,
up.
ready for rebound.
Okay, warm up. Second free throw? No good yapon. Ay. Awa na. Look. Foul.
Foul
Number
jersey number
19.
19. Blocking foul.
Blocking foul by Jeremy Lin. Oh, Jeremy Lin na. Patay, shake and bake. Tumira ng dos. No good. Rebound by Kevin Durant.
Oras, 6 minutes.
Kevin Durant. Intercepted by the muscle man. Nag-dribble. Mulusot. Ayay. Out of bounds by the muscle man. The young one. Nagdaog bola. Gihatag ni Jeremy Lin. Gipasa sa si Farming Gito for 3. Bang! Grabe, lang mo si Farm Good. Kansi mo na. Mr. Muscle Man. Gripping the ball. Pinasa kay Chad. What a pass! What a connection by the triple man and the muscle man. Ini. Minggito again. To Jeremy Lin. Jeremy to Kevin Durant. Out ball. Bola sa Timos. Timos. Shout out sa ato ang ilado nga vlogger sa Casamira. Also known as The Vampire. Halftime. Ladanyo. Lumpa number 5. Tumira ng 3. No good. Young one rebound. Pinasa kay Sir. Sir, wag.
Oras, 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Oh, grabe ang dipinsa eh. Grabe ang Sir Chad eh. Awa na, sorry.
Libre.
Look.
Nag-loop.
Pasakay. Patay. Long bomb number 5 for 3. Bang! Ay, kuwang. Dapat na yung ana. Butang ito ana sunod ha. Para di technical. Okay, Mingito. Nag-dribble. To young one for 3. No good. Rebound by the shake and bake player.
Oras, 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Mr. Muscleman.
A running score, 35-32 in favor of Team Moss.
Tumira ng dos, no good. Rebound by Kevin Durant. May tangan ng bola. May plano mo Dritso. Ni Dritso ganda ay. Traveling without visa by the Kevin Durant. Ayan, yung tan-hour pang brother. Paninood yun. Oh, time out yan. Patay. Iglesia to shake and bake. Bobeles. Torresma. Lumpam number 5. No good. No, offensive rebound eh. No, Bobeles. Sorry.
2 points.
Rubio Maidi, number 1. Okay, dead ball. Time out yan, dead ball. Patay, sorry guys. Sorry, na discount.
Shot clock
Awan
15.
na, Kevin Durant. No good. Rebound by Chad. Uy. Steal. Ay. Traveling violation.
Violation.
Time out.
Black.
Black. Timos. Jeremy Lin. May tangan ng bola. Intercepted by Iglesia. Now we move in dribbling the ball. Grabe yung mga actor. Ay, patay. Long bomb number 5. Sorry! Short. Offensive rebound. Pinasa kay Masulman. Intercepted by Sir. Diditso si Yang Wan. Pinasa kay Kevin Durant. Easy. Easy 2-point by Encaliado Shalang. Resma dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Masulman.
Shot clock 15.
Tumira ng 3.
10.
Assist. Yang Wan, rebound. Patay na. Sorry guys. Nice. Agay sayang nga doon lang. Patay na. Triple man. Gikuha ra balik sa kauban. Ni tira si Bobeles. No good. Patay. Bullet pass by Jeremy Lin.
2 points.
Navarro. Triple man, pinasa, intercepted. Boss Navarro, pinasa kay Mingito. Agay short. Buwang kamay, sige lang, okay lang. Patay, Yang Wan. Awan na, sorry guys. Sorry. What a pass by Mingito. Basket count by the CM Farm player, Mingito. Oras?
Foul jersey number.
City 56.
Alas 7.
Oras 1 minute and 3 seconds.
1 minute 3 seconds. Nandito upo ko na mag-ubuin.
Chat.
Bonus Petro, no good. May tangan ng bola si Masulman. Binalik ni long bomb number 5.
Shot clock 15.
Long bomb number 5 for 3. Agay nalapas.
50 segundos.
Yang Wan ni Dritso. Pinasa kay Mingito. Sorry. Offensive rebound. Agay. Bola sa Timos. Oras?
9 seconds.
Okay. Score 30-37 in favor of the Rooks, also known as the Crooks. Patay. Masulman, may tangan ng bola.
Shot clock 15.
15
30
seconds.
seconds. 25.
Long bomb number 5.
Shot clock 5.
Tumira ng 3. Bang! Lolo! Grabe yun na may oras eh! Ano may oras? Asam ni siya, pinakasyat ba? Napustahan na eh. Patay, Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant, sumalaksak ni Dritso. Grabe, what a difficult shot. 5 seconds remaining. Patay, Masulman.
And the second quarter.
Third quarter. Yes. Uy, shout out din sa mga Istorba family. Papa daw. No, Paulo lumapas. Look, bro, niguwa.
Foul.
Foul. Varsity sa Adelpa, Bulacau.
Foul jersey number 26.
Pilido.
Canonigo.
Tumira ng 3 set, no good. Lumuwa. Patay, Varsity Bulacau. To Jeremy Lin. To Kevin Durant. Patay na. Nisuot na. Sorry. What a block by Paulo Lumapas. Iglesia, offensive rebound, defensive rebound. Patay. Ayay. Intercepted by Navarro. Nakuha niyang 1. Easy 2 points.
2 points.
Go ka 15 eh. Patay. Chad, tumira
Shot clock 15.
Patay. Angkay.
Out of bounds.
O makontrol paglabay, sir.
Hinay ra ganito.
Hinay pa to, wato effort nga labaya, ha? Jeremy Lin, ang ilang point guard. Pinasa kay Bertodaso. Tukanunigo. Bertodaso. What a low shot. Sit. Nilitso. Ayan, nakita. Foul.
Foul jersey number 40. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Navarro. Sit. To Bubenes. To Iglesia. Ayay, walang itsa.
Shot clock 10.
Patay, shake and bake. To Sit again. To
Shot clock
Iglesia.
9.
Awa na, sorry. What a block by Kevin Durant. Mulusot.
Time out. Block.
Timos. Secret. Patay na. Iyan.
Shot clock 15.
Paulo to Sit. Sumalaksak. May kasamang foul. Who's foul red?
Foul jersey number 26. Third personal foul.
Third personal
Third
foul.
team foul.
13 foul by Canonico. Varsity Sadilpa. Sit first free throw.
First team is good.
No good.
Black.
Second free throw. Ready for rebound.
Sa una, wag nga na. No? Liga-liga ba? Wag nga na. Nindot pa kito jersey.
Shooter's violation.
Early in the morning. O, paminaw mo sa inyong mga coach, ha? Roberto Daso, dayang 1, tumira ng 3. No good, short. Oh, grabe, asat sa atin. Patay, bubilis. Sorry, Paulo lumapas, sumalaksak. Easy 2 points.
Strong move.
Strong move, grabe, ay. Di ka magusag-up. Kanya, Roberto Daso, ay gusto.
Shot clock 15.
Ay, Navarro. Dribbling the ball.
Shot clock 10.
Lumusot! Wala!
Nice layup.
Nasaan kayo mga kalaban ko? Nabiya eh. Nice move by Sir Navarro. Navarro? Ano sakyan na? Nabiya, Paulo eh. Pau! Nabiya na Pau. Ay. Bertodaso, to Kevin Durant. Nilitso.
Shot clock 15.
Kickball. Kickball.
Shot clock 13.
Patay na. Canonigo.
Shot clock 10.
Bertodaso. Jeremy Lin.
Shot clock 5.
Jeremy Lin. Nilusot. Canonigo. No good. Patay na, Paulo. Sorry. Nos, what a move. Ay, Paulo lumapas.
Ato bang ikot.
Ang score. 4 na lang labaw. Kevin Durant, nilusot. Dipinsa ni Paulo. To Canonigo. Grabe yan. What a shot by Canonigo. Gabi ako sugad agad eh. Gahing ina, Varsity na Bulacau. Champion na dito sa Tausiyo. Patay Chad. Strong move. Out ball. Ayay, almost steal by Kevin Durant.
Shot clock 10.
Iglesia, tumira ng 3. Bang! Gabi ay. Nindot yung gawa ala. Dikit ang laban. Ang score, 52-49 in favor of the Rooks.
Shot na 15.
Navarro. Ayun. Tagain nag-discount. Uy. Patay si to Iglesia. Look, itanaw kontra. Agay. Sayanga. Okay na sir. Okay na sir. Patay na Bertudaso. Agay to Jeremy. Look, what a blind pass.
Shot na
Patay
15.
na. Sorry. Agay. Look. Agay. What a shot by Kevin Durant. Si Sid nilahos. What a defense by Canonigo. Bertudaso to Kevin Durant for 3. Bang! Oh, count pa ng si Iguan ha. Kevin Durant ha. Mobilis.
Oras, 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Murag diha gino muna patay stress. Patay Iglesia. Patay to Paulo. May nasangit. Paul. Labihan na mugas o maayo. 4 foul, kisay foul rep.
Foul jersey number 26.
4 personal
Warning
foul.
for disqualification.
Okay, pasab niyo yun sir. First free throw, no good.
Second free throw, really worry ba? Self-red self.
Sa situation. Padlock ito, sila lumbo mo. Patay Navarro. Pass to Sir Amber. Out ball. Same ball.
Shot clock 13.
Tracy ha, Tracy na lang. What a steal by Seth Paller. Pinasakay lumapas. Diretso. Sumabit ang kalaban. Mas Paul Red. Announce na ito, KJ Paul.
Foul jersey number 15.
Jersey number 15. Isa na 15. Duha pa na sila. Bertudaso, okay, Patano. The young one. The junior player. Grabe, Jeremy Lin na singhot na kaya.
Naligo na eh.
No, patay, offensive rebound may Iglesia.
2 points.
Easy 2 points. Labia si Ray, way kulpa pa. Patay.
Sundi lang.
Ni crossover. Wow, what a move!
Shot clock 15.
Traveling! Gabi gahi ang sa travel. Siga pwesto. Dako ang uan na ganyo eh.
Oras, 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Agay, intercepted. Nakuha ka po balik.
Shot clock 15.
Nilusot. Agay, rebound by Kevin Durant. Ni Diretso. Gipasa. Libre-libre. Libre-libre by Jer. Unsa man na Jer Milin? Isa ka na bagtak? Ano ka malagi? Isa ka na bagtak. Agay.
Shot clock 15.
Awa na. Oh, simple. Agay.
Good. Oras, 1 minute and 20 seconds.
1 minute 20 seconds. Amber, pinasa kay Jeremy Lin. Gibalik kay Amber. Easy 2 points. Partida pa na. Injured na. Partida. Uy, shoutout ito sa ato ang living legend niya, si Tatay Sinok. Tay, may gabi niya, Tay.
Shot clock 15. Oras. Sige daw 5 segundos.
Kuya Tatay.
Shot clock 10.
Bertudaso. Wala steal by Chad. Paul's Paul Red.
Foul jersey number 15. Second personal foul.
15, Batanon.
Penalty.
Junior.
Penalty.
Bertudaso ito ha, Paula. Oh, pwede na siya. Vlogger na siya. Vampira na. First free throw by Sir Chad Labrado. Nice ball, gitu. Ay, magtapa lang. Wag yung may discount yun. Second free throw. Still no good. Patay na. Ingalyado. Wow, what a block! Traveling. What a block by Paulo Lumapas.
Oras 42 segundos.
Paler. Tububilis. Set. Nilihos.
2 points.
Pag-shot.
35 segundos. 35.
Navarro. Steal. Well, may kasamang foul by Seth Paler.
28 segundos.
28 seconds na ha. 28 seconds.
Warning tag 15 ha.
Warning 15.
Resetment to a call.
Resetment to a call.
Playing jersey number 15, the resetment to a call.
Okay, back to the ball game.
7-10 shot clock. 28 seconds.
Bertodaso. Iparelax ang mga kauban.
Chinko.
Pinasa kay Jeremy Lin. Jeremy Lin.
90.
Lumusot. Pero may kasamang foul. Who's foul rep? Agabihan. Gisiko man.
Foul jersey number 42.
Ha?
Wala. Third personal foul. Oras 18.
18. Patay na. Walang kabantay-bantay. Iiwag yung mo.
Shot clock 10.
Okay, last shot daw.
3 segundos. Shot clock 5.
Nice, what a fullback jumper. No good.
5. 2 points.
End of the third quarter. Score 61-57 in favor of the Rooks. Fourth quarter. Oh, saan bro? Apa? Tumira ng tres, no good. Rebound by Minguito. Pinasa kay Crossoverman. Crossoverman. Pinasa kay... Oh, intercepted by Paulo Lumapas. Patay na. Sorry guys. Prisma. Pinasa ngayon kay... Ayay. Buslot. Last touch. The Rooks.
Kaduha ang black, pag third black, fourth black.
Ano ba? Okay. Patay set. To Paulo Lumapas. Wala pick. No good. Patay na. Sorry. Kevin Durant. Ni Ditso. Patay sa Yuna, Roy. Biyano lang ang layup. Patay na. Paulo Lumapas. Ako na po. Sorry. Simple shot by Paulo Lumapas.
A running score 63 against 59.
In favor of the Rooks. Minguito.
Shot clock
Kanulito. What spin move. Pero may kasamang foul.
Foul jersey number 17.
Joaquin Bordado.
First personal foul.
Minguito. To Crossoverman. To Minguito. Tumira ng tres. Bang! Diha namatyan ang imbihol sa tres ni Minguito. Patay na. Masulman. Pinasa kay Seth Paler. Seth Paler. Seth Paler Lumapas. Patay na. Bibiyaan. Sorry. Agay. Kevin Durant. May tangan ng bola. Pinasa kay Crossoverman. Tumira. Wow. Holy Mary. Shot. Shout out the rival of our
Oras 8 minutes.
one of the commercial players of Cebu, J.R. Lucas Ro. Ay, pre. Shout out pre. Murag na agi tayo ko under pre. Kanang
Shot clock 15.
ha? Morning 27. So, warning. Delay of the game. Masulman. Nag-dribble. Gipasa ni Seth Paler. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebound by Kevin Durant. Crossover man. Olo. Dance with me. Okay. Amber.
Shot clock 15.
Iparelax ang mga kauban. Tukanunigo, tumira ng cross. Short! Rebound by Muscleman. Gidala ang bola. Muragway plano mohunong. Mula Husgyun eh. Pinasa kay Joaquin Bordado. Wala layup! No good! Offensive rebound. Mingito day. Crossover man. Pinasa kay Amber. Easy 2 points.
Oras 6 minutes and 45 seconds.
Wala. Okay. Long bomb number 5. Bang! What a shot by long bomb number 5. Resma. Nagpangita na sa mga laing long bomb. Okay. Mingito, tumira ng 3. Short.
Okay na. Hawan man.
Look, grabe yung motivation. Look. Patay kini. Mr. Muscleman nilahos. What a strong move by the Muscleman.
Ay kumpensa.
Okay, 8 na lang. 8 na lang labaw sa The Rooks.
Shot clock 15.
Kanunigo, mispin mo. Agay, may sumapit.
Foul number 7.
Paulo lumapas.
First personal foul. Second team foul by Paulo free throw.
Doha sir, doha.
Ayaw no? Tulo. Masyat na lang. Kaguhas minti siya. Ayay.
Tulo lang, tulo.
Tulo awa. Iya i-miss. Yan na yung rebound. 3 din pasa. Second free throw. Patay na. Sorry. Not
Now
now.
at point.
Kabihay. Patay na. Si Paler. Ayay, sumabit si crossover man. Foul, crossover man.
Jersey
Foul.
number 6. Oras 5 minutes and 37 seconds.
Muscleman.
Pare.
Agay, sorry. Crossover man. Tuminggito.
2 points.
Sabiha ba? Monay mga benefits nga sige mo jogging. Kinapasok kay dagan. Joaquin Bordado. Nagdaw bola. Pinasa kay Sid. Paler. Tumira ng 3. Bang!
Time out. Blue.
Time out. The Rooks.
Di ba duha raman sa fourth quarter? Duha na fourth quarter. Duha ka time out. Dili.
Crossover man. What a bounce pass. Sayang nga. Namiya tato eh. Okay na na. Patay na. Gadali. Muscleman. No!
2 points.
What a strong move. No! Shout out. Stephanie Cole. Diba? Puno na nilabaw, no? Ang The Rooks. No, ni crossover.
Shut up,
No!
Mickey!
Patay! That should be Mingito. Tumira ng 3.
Bang! 3 points.
Migo ay mau kita dapat yan sa Ibihol team. Nilusot na po. Okay, may sumapit. Sinong sumapit? Trip. 22.
Jersey number 22.
22.
Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Second team foul.
Oras 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
First free throw. No good.
Second free throw, ready for rebound.
Second free throw. Still no good. Time remaining. Allah. Patay na, sorry.
Shot clock 15.
Patay, 3 na po.
Shot clock 10.
10 seconds shot clock. Mingito for 3. Bang! Nagabihan ni Sinyas na gyugaan na eh. Mo gitinapilihan ninyo, Ibihol. Sakit kayo. Patay, Joaquin Bordado. Sorry. Okay. Hindi, madagit. Boss. Allah. Aditso. Sorry. Wow, what a song. Time out. Sab niya.
Oh, dito
Patay.
lang.
Patay na. Lumbar number 5. Ipasa ni Lumapas. Ni Lahos. Foul. Foul. Who's foul red? 22.
Foul jersey number 22. Third. Running for foul out. Jersey number 22.
Okay, sub.
Substitution. Oras 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Starter tayo. Nice! What a pass by Paulo Lumapas for 3. No good. Offensive rebound by the muscle man. Intercepted by crossover man. Crossover man ngayon. May tangan ng bola.
Oras 3 minutes.
Look, you dance with me. Okay.
Shot clock 15.
Huli. Kevin Durant. Spin move. What a shot by Kevin Durant. Score. Swipe by Mingito. Patay na si Paler for 3. Bang! Maray na pa ni chance ni. Pila na ito oras?
Oras 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes and 30 seconds na nabilis sa
Shot
oras.
clock 15.
Crossover man agay. Binitbit ang bola. Lumusot. May kasamang foul.
Foul jersey number 7.
Jersey number
Second
7.
personal foul. Third team foul.
First free throw.
Oras 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Sab. Kasi kapatid bola ato ang yusan.
2 minutes and 17 seconds. First one point.
Good. Siduta sa warmer na pe. Pare, ang warmer. Ala, lumapas. Foul. Parihara man mo edad, oy. Wala na. Kisi-kisi na, papadadira. Agay. Akbo.
Oras 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Set Paler for 3. Bang!
We're down the last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. 11 na lang ang labaw. Kevin Durant, may tangan ng bola. Kevin Durant yapon. Kevin
Shot
Durant.
clock 15.
To crossover man. Patay na. Sorry guys. Short. By Mingito. Out of bounds. Shout out ito sa itong mga players, no? The return of the comeback is Casamira. Patay, one out behind the back rebound by Casamira. Ay, Casamira na eh. Strong move. Time out. Blue. Patay, Casamira. Patay na oras. Daliin ninyo, kaya din NBA. Patay na, sorry. Dako kayo.
Shot clock 15.
Amber.
Uno 15.
Kaya.
As fast level.
Grabe yan, nalipat na. Kamao, gini Sir Amber na. Palipat-lipat. Awa na.
Uno 5. Shot clock 15.
Wow. Jersey number 28.
Foul jersey number 28. Penalty situation.
First free throw.
1 point. Second free throw, ready for rebound.
Ang labaw na po. Steal.
55 segundos. 50. Shot clock 15.
Ay, baligya. Mana, sorry. Lagi baligya po. Isi baligya.
40 segundos.
Patay na, crossover man. Tomingito.
35. Shot clock 15.
Grabe ha, ang selfish kaya. Patay, Kevin Durant.
30. Shot clock 10.
Kevin Durant. Okay na. Smile ba? Smile.
Foul jersey number 17. Warning pa, warning
Warning,
for
warning
penalty.
pa, warning pa for penalty. Kibinduran, okay.
Oras, 29 seconds.
Okay, Minggito. Ipasa ni crossover man. Murag patyo na gining
Shot
oras.
clock 10.
25 seconds!
Patay, Minggito. Dili, magsabot.
20 seconds. Shot clock
Patay, sa
5.
Chris. No good. Paulo lumapas.
15.
Tulong pa number 5.
2 points.
Iyo po ko. Technical no eh.
Jeez.
Ay na lang mo kitsa. Oh, kitsa pa na kay para sa one scoring ba. No.
Nice game. Shake hands.
Shake hands. Ang score na to, official score,
Our score 88-80.
in favor of the Rooks. The Rooks defeated by wins over Timos.